Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetie.
Mom, the table looks nice.
Yes, breakfast will be ready soon. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Let's eat together.
Mom, I did it.
Great job, sweetie.
Here is my breakfast.
Thank you, honey. Sit down.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, dear.
Mom, are you thinking of Dad?
Yes, he will be home soon.
Hey, Mom, can Dad see my tower?
Yes, he will love it when he comes home.
Thank you, sister. You're welcome. Mom, is Dad on the plane?
Yes, he will be home soon.
This banner looks great.
Yes, he will love it. This table looks so nice.
Yes, he will see it soon.
Mom, can I try too? Of course, but save some for Dad. He will like this. Yes, it's a surprise.
Mom, this looks delicious.
Yes, he will love it. The balloons look great.
Yes, Dad will be so happy. These cookies are so pretty.
Yes, he will love them. All ready for Dad? Yes, everything looks perfect. Welcome home, Dad. We missed you.
Very good. He will love it. Welcome home, Dad. We missed you. Very good. He will love it.
Everything looks perfect.
Yes, he will be happy. Mom, I hope he likes it.
He will love it, don't worry. It's almost time.
Yes, he will be here soon. The flowers look beautiful.
Yes, he will notice them. Welcome home, Dad.
Yes, he will love it. It looks perfect, Mom.
Yes, he will love it.
We are ready to welcome Dad. Yes, he will love our dance. Mom, this card is beautiful.
Yes, he will love it.
Everything is ready. Yes, he will be happy. Mom, it looks perfect.
Yes, he will notice it.
Welcome home, Dad. Perfect. He will be proud. Mom, this looks yummy.
Yes, he will love it. Welcome home, honey.
I missed you all.
Dad, you are home. Yes, we missed you.
I am so happy to see you.
We missed you so much.
Look, Dad, we made this for you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Here, honey, juice and cookies.
Thank you. I love it.
Look, Dad, our dance. Yes, we made it for you.
Topha, I missed you so much.
We missed you too.
I am happy to be home.
We are happy too. Wow, Dad, look at these.
Yes, I brought them for you.
Oh, this is beautiful, Dad.
I thought you would like it.
Here is your tea, honey.
Thank you, baby.
Dad, we learned about planets today.
That's great. Tell me more.
Look, Dad, I drew our family.
Wow, this is wonderful.
Honey got you this?
Thank you. I love it.
Dad, can I help with the plates?
Of course. Thank you.
This looks delicious.
Yes, I am very hungry.
It's been a wonderful day.
Yes, the best day ever.